How to fix Wi-Fi issues on your MacBook Neo. I'll show you many different solutions. First thing that you need to try is to go into the Wi-Fi settings and delete the current Wi-Fi network that you're having problems with. So click on the Apple logo, select System Settings, and from here select Wi-Fi. If you're having issues with this network, it doesn't connect, it cuts, I don't know, it's not reliable, click the three dots, click on Forget this network, forget, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn it on again, and connect yourself to the same Wi-Fi network once it will appear in this list. So I'll click Connect, I'll enter my password, and I'll press OK. Fortunately, doing this will simply fix the problem. If you're still having problems, I suggest you do a restart of the computer. So you're going to go on the Apple logo and you're going to select Restart. And restart again. Now wait, it will take around 30 seconds, maybe less actually. And fortunately, after you do this, the Wi-Fi will actually work as it's supposed to. Right now I'm not touching anything, it's restarting by itself. In the meanwhile, I also suggest you go to your Wi-Fi router and you unplug it from the wall outlet. So simply pull the plug, wait 2 minutes, plug it back. This is just a restart of the Wi-Fi router. Many times actually it's not your computer the issue, it's actually the router. So by doing this, you can fix the problem. After finishing this, go ahead, connect yourself and it should work. You can also go into the system settings this same way we did by going into over here on the Apple logo. Go into General and select Software Update. If there's an update available, do it. There's a good chance that Apple fixed your issue through that update. In my case, there's nothing, so I cannot install, but that's another thing you can try. You can also go in battery in this menu and make sure that low power mode is not enabled, since by allowing low power mode when the battery is almost dead, it will cut some important features of your Mac simply to preserve the battery. So just make sure that this is not the problem over here. Make sure it's in never, not always, or another option. I hope my video fixed your issue, but I don't know if you don't know, there is some adapters that are USB Type-C to Ethernet. If you don't want to use Wi-Fi and you have an Ethernet cable coming out of your router, you want a very stable connection, you can also use these. And I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. Otherwise, leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.